Queenie, this is malunggay for you. Malunggay leaves. Okay, you like malunggay? Malunggay is for tinolang manok, Queenie. It's not for you to eat.
I was gonna write, like, you know,
Oh my God, she likes
right?
malunggay. Malunggay, yeah.
Another
It's very good for you, baby.
Another risk could be like
You like malunggay? Oh, my baby loves malunggay. You like malunggay, moringa. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. You like malunggay, baby? Yeah.
it's very much
You like moringa? Yeah, lots of vitamins. Queenie is very healthy, baby. Okay. Oh my God, slowly. Don't break your teeth. Do not break your teeth, baby. She likes malunggay. Moringa leaves for you. Oh, you love malunggay. Yeah. Let's go home to Philippines. We have loads of malunggay in there. Ay, Diyos ko, she loves malunggay. Okay, good. Good for you. Eat malunggay, baby. Oh. You like malunggay? Yeah. Oh, baby love malunggay.
What did you guys say?
Look at her.
Paul texted you.
Princess, look at your sister here. She loves malunggay, raw malunggay. See? She likes it. She's very healthy.
Oh, do you want the quiz?
Oh my God! That's enough. I'm scared. That's enough.